and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I have another wig from the one and only UNICE Hair. Okay, round of applause. Yay. So yeah, I recently just did another review for them, like on some hair, and I'll link that down below. And I'll put it on the screen so y'all can go check that out. Make sure you watch it. It was very interesting, okay? Okay. But yeah, I'm not gonna say too much because today we're focusing on this new wig by them, and let's just get straight into it. This is the box. Once again, this is how the other hair came. It came in a box just like this. So this is not my first time seeing their packaging. And how to take care of your wig is listed on the back. This wig did come from Amazon. UNICE is on AliExpress and Amazon, but this is from their Amazon. It got here in like 2 to 3 days. I don't think it was Prime, but it still got here really quick. So this is the inside of the box. Of course they have this. Their branding is really cute. My last box also came with this. And then the hair is in there tucked neatly. So here's the bag. It came with some lashes. These nail polish sticker thingies. These nail polish sticker thingies are so cute, y'all. Like, look at this. And it also came with a UNICE hair wrap. Look at this. Silk, honey. It feels so good. And it's so... This is printed on here. If you need to tie down your hair at night, they got you covered. Now, what you've all been waiting for, the hair. Alright guys, so here's the wig. It came in this plastic bag. I have the 20-inch UNICE Ombre Auburn wig. This is the wig straight out the bag, y'all. Look at this color. It looks a lot more orange on the camera, but y'all, the color was beautiful, especially if you don't know how to dye hair yourself. Like, the color, amazing. And the hair felt soft as well. And I'll be doing a voiceover for the remainder of this video because the sound got a little wonky, so yeah. Here's the construction of the cap. It was very nice. 3 combs on the inside and adjustable straps. It also came with this little lace piece on the back, but you just cut that off, y'all. Like, I don't know why they put them things on there because you don't need them. And like I mentioned before, this is a silk-based closure wig, y'all. So basically it comes with this patch of light silk base where your part is supposed to be to kind of create like a fake scalp. Personally, if you looked at my last video, I'm not a fan of them, but with this wig, I don't know what changed. I was kind of like, okay, it's nice. But basically, this little silk patch kind of replaces your scalp. So you don't have to bleach it. You can't put makeup underneath it. So you can only pluck the top and put makeup in the part. So here is the lace closure on the top of the wig. This is how it came. I didn't do anything to it. As y'all can see, that little silk base patch underneath it. The thing is, you cannot part this hair. Like, if you try to part it any kind of way, it is track showing, so you have to wear it in the middle part, but you can always rotate it, you know, to a side part if you want. I prefer middle parts anyway, so I wasn't upset or anything, but yeah, if you want a side part, you'll have to rotate that thing, girl. And here's the hair once again. My fingers went straight through it. I wasn't getting any shedding. The color, y'all, I was just like, whoa. Because that color on this purple shirt and this yellow background, it was a circus going on, okay? So I promise y'all, yeah, I changed shirts at the end because it was a lot going on. But other than that, I put the wig on. It felt great. It is big head friendly. I was shocked because I just don't wear colored hair like that. So it was really pretty on my first time putting it on. Of course, this is straight, but it had a little waves because it was tucked in this bag. And so this is how it looked, just like straight out the bag. So because this is a silk based wig, the thing I don't like about it as well is that silk base is really light. So I definitely had to go in and put some foundation in. And all I did was pluck the part a little bit more. I got my tweezers and I just went down the line and I got this old foundation and I put it in the part. And so once I put it in the part, I just kind of blended it down and it fit like a charm. It literally did not take me too long because when I get wigs, I don't want to have to do too much to it, and I know y'all don't want to either, especially if you're new to it. So I try to keep it to a minimum, and this is the result, okay? Yes, wig. Yes, wig. So I ended up finishing this video the next day when I was looking more presentable for orange hair, you know. And y'all, all I did was straighten it, pluck it, put some foundation in my part, and I was ready to go. To go, honey. Overall, this hair is really pretty. I've worn it for like a week now, and it's sitting right with me. It doesn't shed. It's very full to the ends, to the tips. I haven't tried curling it yet, so we'll see how that goes. But overall, this hair is very beautiful. I'll leave the link down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys, thank you for watching.